Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, broskies and sisters, to another reaction video. First of all, I hope you guys are doing great. It's a new day. It's Monday, and I kind of feel a little bit tired today. But this is an investment. We got to keep on going. We are not stopping. We are not missing a day. I will make sure I don't miss a day. Anyways, if this is your first time here, let me officially welcome you to this channel. Over here, we react to funny comedy skits from TikTok. Basically, we just laugh, chill, and try to have a nice time. By the way, shout out to the new subscribers. I see you. I see the comments. I see the subs. I see the subs going up like every day. So shout out to you guys. I appreciate that. Really, really, it means a lot to me. And let's keep growing, guys. So today I want to do something a little bit different. I don't know if some of you know these guys, Fuhad and oh my god, what's his name? Shit and Gigs. They're two guys from UK. They have a podcast. They kind of blew up on TikTok like I think last year or 2 years ago. And they are just funny. Them two together, they're hilarious. So I wanted to like check out some of their or rather react to some of their funny moments and see if we can find some to laugh with. So I hope this one goes well. So let's see. So let's check out some shit and gigs funny moments. Fuhad. What's the other guy's name? James. Aha. James and Fuhad. James is crazy, bro.
What's the most down bad thing you ever did? I found out her shoe size and I beat to that number in my head.
What?
Bro,
Mandem.
it doesn't make sense.
Mandem.
What?
We switched school IDs and when I got home, I started kissing her picture.
Yeah, bro. Nah. That's too much. That's too soon and too much. Nah, come on now. I mean, how old is he? That's something I'll probably do if that's something I'll probably do like if I'm like 12, 11 years old, 13 maybe, but not like right now. Why would you come on, bro?
Threw her in art class and I beat it to the drawing,
Yeah,
bro.
that's insanity.
I recorded
True.
her answering a question on a Zoom call class and then the clap emoji with the moisturizer emoji. I took a picture of my cheeks and busted to it while imagining it was hers.
No.
Oh
Since we had
my
the exact
No.
same skin tone.
No.
Bro?
Oh my god, that's nasty, creepy and weird. No. No, hell nah, bro. No, look at Jake. No, hell nah, bro.
No.
Bro?
That's disgusting.
Yeah.
That's the worst one I've heard.
It really is disgusting, bro. What the hell?
Decided to create an account called customer support. So say if you're on the McDonald's page, someone would post a complaint. This fake account would change their icon to the McDonald's symbol. So they would reply as customer support. Funny as shit. This morning, I ordered a porridge from the drive-thru, then was asked to park in Bay Parking. It took 5 minutes to arrive, making me late for work. And when I opened it, it was lukewarm. How hard is it to have porridge ready in the morning? How hard is it to get your Goldilocks ass up a little bit earlier? She replied, I'm actually speechless. They replied again, I wish you were. I'd just like to say a big thank you to Susie, who served us today at TGI Fridays in Nottingham. She couldn't do enough for us and was excellent with the kids. She deserves a big pat on the back. The Jack Daniel's sauce was also delicious as ever. I'm afraid we had to let Susie go. We caught her shitting in the JD sauce again. I don't understand as a company why you'd say that even if it was true. Please tell me this is some sort of wind up. Reply from customer support. Unlike Susie, I shit you not.
How did I mute this thing? Yo, what the hell, bro? Are these stories actually true? Because sometimes I've been seeing clips of them on TikTok, like with some bizarre stories. And I kind of wonder, are these people just making the stories up, or are they actually like true stories that actually happen to them? Because sometimes it kind of feels a little bit overly exaggerated, like bruh, like some stories be really weird and funny.
When he's waiting for the lifeguard to let him go down the slide.
I saw that, brother.
Really? I didn't hear what he
I
said.
saw that, brother.
What did he say, bro?
This is more TikTok X. When he's waiting for the lifeguard to let him go down the slide.
I saw that, brother. I saw that.
When he uses the chocolate box menu to pick a chocolate.
I like what I like, innit? Why is that in it, brother? I like what I like.
When you refer to the menu
At the back.
looking for that truffle.
Oh, let me be, cuz.
Oh, that's hilarious. This is me. I raise my hand. This is me. My name's been called. When he eats something hot and does the that's me to a T.
That's hilarious. I blow to my heart's content.
I think if you blow it more than thrice, ick.
Wait. I swear, when I eat like something really, really hot, I go like 2 or 3 times. That's what I do. I think it's okay. I don't care about what anyone thinks, bro. It's hot. What the hell? What you want me to do?
If you've got the ladle and the third ick. Man up and slurp the thing, fam. Taste it.
Bro,
When the automatic door doesn't open, so he has to do the quick back and forth.
that's an ick, really? That's really an ick? That's what people consider to be an ick? Bro, I swear, I was talking to a chick someday, right? And we was talking about icks. Bro, she legit told me it's an ick, right? If a coin falls to the floor and the guy is trying to pick the coin up and the coin keeps rolling away and the guy keeps following the coin trying to pick it up, and I just like, huh? What? And it's another one that I saw in here in Germany, right? So she said, when a guy feels cold, that's an ick. I'm like, what? What? So we're not allowed to shiver? No, bro. This ick thing be killing me. This ick thing is killing me. Like, what the hell is wrong with you, bro? There are some things that will happen that I'm gonna be like, okay, like, type shit. But like, you having a list of icks in your head, that's an ick. For me, that's an ick. Like, I don't know about that's just weird.
Walking up to a door that doesn't acknowledge you as a human is the most embarrassing thing.
I'm deaf. So when I get into Ubers, I usually just sign hello to them and don't speak anymore. But this Uber driver just called someone and said, "This deaf just got in so I could talk for a minute."
Yeah, that would be so
Why
awkward, right?
McDonald's want to call their Sprite a soft drink? Bitch, that's hard liquor.
A cold Sprite from McDonald's,
The fizziest thing on
it
earth.
will burn your esophagus.
It's the fizziest thing on this planet. You don't realize how valuable breathing is until you have a blocked nose.
When you're trying to sleep,
Oh,
Every night I'm vexed. Every night I'm vexed.
you should see someone about that, fam. What do you mean every night?
Why do men twitch?
He should actually go check that one out. But that is so annoying. Imagine trying to sleep but you can't breathe, and then you have to breathe through your mouth, and it's so uncomfortable. Oh my god, I hate having that feeling. But I'll give you a quick remedy: garlic, ginger, and red onions sliced and cooked together, and then like a mixture of honey or lime, and just drink it. You're welcome.
Twitch so violently in their sleep. And the guy replied, "The Bible says there shall be
Certainly
no
not.
rest for the wicked."
I heard that one before. I seen that one before, rather. I seen that one before. That's they're laughing, making me laugh, bro.
My wife and I are divorcing because I got her frenemy pregnant. Wife agreed I
Frenemy
can live in the basement
pregnant.
until I find a place. The walls are thin. I hear her with a male friend and she was never that loud and wild with me. I'm dying inside. What do I do?
What do you do?
Move out. What the
I
hell?
think, because obviously in the basements there's like pillars, right?
Yeah.
I'm breaking the pillar down. So the whole
foundation,
building
yeah.
will concave and will
Yeah.
Someone hears stuff like that. I'd fall to my knees and beg her. James, I will fall to my knees and beg her, take me back. I'll beg her, take me back. I've not even thought about the friending me once. It was a mistake.
Who?
Babes, it was a mistake. I don't even know her name. Who are we talking about?
Big man, who are we talking about? I love you.
It's just me and you. Doesn't know I had a threesome with two of his closest friends from his friendship group. We laugh about it behind his back.
What?
You don't.
We laugh about it behind his back.
Nah, this is.
Yeah, how can you even like? Do you have a conscience? Like, doing it is one thing, but laughing about it behind his back is just like, it's devilish. Now at this point, you're basically a devil. Like, what joy does it give you? What is wrong with people, bro? Like, oh my god, bro. Oh my god.
Do you love me or not? Why are you punishing me?
What
You
did
laugh
I
about
do?
it behind his
What
back.
did I do that was so wrong?
Yeah.
That you had to not even bang two other strangers.
Yeah.
My boys.
And you man are K-K-K-ing about it.
I spud you man every day.
And you man were just spit roasting the love of my life.
What did I do wrong? Because we're all going to hell. So confess.
It's gonna
all
kill
now.
someone.
Killing everyone here. Everyone here's gone, brother.
Rags, bro.
Actually very stupid, bro.
August. In that time span, I cheated on him with 9 other dudes, which 2 of them lived in his area. I honestly feel sad when driving past his house. When I found out he was cheating, I cried so much. I couldn't believe he would do something like that to me, but he still doesn't know I cheated on him.
Wow.
What a gaslighter,
Right, so much.
bro. What a gaslighter, bro. That's crazy.
How dare you?
Family! Oh, women are
Are you schizophrenic? Big man thing.
That's
Are you
crazy.
schizophrenic? What the
so much! How did you find out you were the side piece? He celebrated Valentine's Day with me on February 15th.
What was his excuse? I don't know what his excuse was.
When I was over at his place, a girl came over. We both started to scream at him. He had to leave.
He had to leave.
He just left them both there.
I pattern 2, I can pattern a 3rd. I'm just gonna start again.
Charge it to the game. I'm
Yeah,
gone.
yeah.
Charge it to the game. I'm gone. I'm gone. He posted, I'm going to do the most for her on Friday, but we didn't have any plans.
I'm done with this secret life.
I need to come clean. It's killing me week in, week out. I can
That's
see
jarring, bro.
The load
That's
bears
jarring.
heavy. The load
Damn.
starts to bear heavy, bro.
At some point, you just got to let it out.
play with her
Like,
hair while she's sleeping, but it's on the dresser. If we smashing, don't tell me deeper. If I could go deeper, I would. You don't hear me saying tighter. Tighter. Tighter.
Yo, imagine that was actually possible, bro. Tighter, then you got like, but I think when you guys squeeze, like when you guys squeeze your, what is it called? Oh my god, the pelvic. When you squeeze the pelvic area, like, doesn't it get a little bit tighter? I mean, I think so. I think so because but
Tighter.
Make it tight.
Nah, imagine you and your partner like doing the deeds, and it's like they tighter. Like, how would you feel, bro? That would be. I would. Nah, you know what? I'll try that shit. I swear I would. At some point, I'll be like tighter, just to see your reaction, bro.
Tight.
I'm trying to knock. Make it tighter. Excuse me, miss. Have you ever been arrested? Yeah. How could you tell? I was gonna say it's illegal to be that cute, but now I'm curious. Aggravated assault.
I asked my son, do he know who Frosty the Snowman is? He said Young Jeezy. Shake my head. The spirit of Christmas is dead.
Hey, yo, he's a funny, bro.
Humbled yesterday. Let me set the scene. I'm out. I'm doing a little bit of shopping, and you know what?
I've heard this song multiple times, but I think I'll always find it funny. I've heard this song multiple times, but I always find it funny.
Obviously, your boy spent a little bit of money in it. I look forward, and there's a group of girls staring at me, pointing and giggling. So obviously, your boy clocked it, and then light skin activated. Caught me with the bags and everything. Lips was caught me at it. They caught me off guard, spending bags. The dread. I was like, this is long. I looked again, and these men are just. As I've walked off, they're still looking where I was standing a second ago. Central C is standing right behind me. Central C is standing directly behind me, looking at migrating geese or something. I nearly dropped.
Humbled.
Humbled. I had to see someone so much more famous to me to be like, wow, you're nobody, brother.
That was a very funny story, bro.
Ever heard? Can we be together? She replied, my enemies would laugh at me. Enemies. My enemies would laugh at me.
Hey, I can confidently tell you right now, for some reason, I think that response came from a Nigerian. For some reason, I believe that response came from a Nigerian, because only Nigerian will do something that is so violating. I swear. That has to be from a Nigerian for sure. Nah, that's wild.
I wanted him back, and he replied, that's funny. You're the second person to tell me that.
She would have lost
she would have rolled her hair.
Oh, yo.
Your sister is 100% better looking than you. Don't you ever forget that. People can't talk to people like that. Do you know what I'm saying? People cannot talk to people like that. He asked me for my number, and I wasn't interested, so I started speaking another language. It's a good tactic.
That is, fair enough, bro.
Good tactic.
It'll work sometimes. Certain man, if you're paying enough, I don't care. I don't care. We'll
Spanish, Portuguese, whatever.
No.
Lingo, say it in there. Because I'm getting your number.
Say Duolingo.
say it in here.
Say it in here.
Nah, so actually, that different language thing wouldn't work in the current day, like in the present day, because we have way too many apps that would translate whatever language you're speaking. So that one would not work. No way.
Hey guys, I can't do breakups. 5 minutes later, I'm texting back like, so you never loved me?
Yes.
I don't know where I'm gonna be without him. Probably further in life, I'm not gonna lie. Facts.
100% facts.
Never trust a girl that needs glasses but doesn't wear them. She'll never see the issue.
Personal experience? Facts.
Sometimes I want a boyfriend, but then I remember how good it feels not to have my day ruined by 7 a.m.
I'd like to flip that. Because I've never ruined anyone's day at 7 a.m. I've had my day ruined plenty of times at 7 a.m.
Women watching Netflix with subtitles because they don't know how to listen.
Now, to be fair, I watch Netflix with subtitles as well. To be fair, but that's still funny. Oh no! Oh my god! Oh my god! That was so funny, bro. That was so funny. I'm gonna react to more funny shit and gigs moments, because these two guys, they are hilarious, bro. They are so funny, and I like them. I like that journey actually. It's a very inspiring story, you know, how they started and everything, just like how we're starting right now. So we're gonna get there at some point. We're gonna be somewhere at some point, for real. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out the next videos. There will be more funny content coming up every day for sure. And do not forget to like, share, comment, and all that. You follow me. And if this is your first time and you like what we do here, make sure to subscribe and be part of the family. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And we out.